List 3 words, follow the VC-CV syllabication pattern. In this first word, empire, there is a vowel followed by 2 consonants and another vowel. You will divide between the consonants. The words in this list will have a closed syllable at the beginning because there is one vowel followed by a consonant, and the vowel sound is short. The next syllable has one vowel followed by a consonant, and the E is silent. So that is a silent E syllable. You'll mark the vowel sound long and cross off the silent E. Empire. The next word is athlete. You have a vowel followed by 3 consonants and another vowel. The TH are a digraph, so they will stay together, and you will divide between the consonants. The first syllable will be closed because there is a vowel followed by 1 or more consonants, and the vowel sound will be short. The next syllable is a vowel followed by a consonant and a silent E. That is your silent E syllable. The first vowel will be long and the E will be silent. That word is athlete.